This video is about point slope form. Point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Here, m is a slope, and here x1, and y1 is a point on a line. Now, how do you guys write standard form of linear? It is ax plus by is equal to c. And if you solve this equation into what y is equal to, you will have y is equal to mx plus b, and this is slope-intercept form. Here m, slope, here b is y-intercept. Now, why don't we write into point slope form from a graph? If you have a linear like this, and if you want to write into point slope form, first, write what point slope form of linear is. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Find the slope first. Slope, rise over run. So you can just use any 2 points here. I will use 1, 3 and 3, 6. And you just have to count them. From 1, 3 to 3, 6, you have to move 3 up and 2 to the right. So the slope will be 3 over 2. Now, you need the point. You can use either 3, 6 or 1, 3. So if I use 3, 6 first, x1, y1, now write this into point slope form. Y minus 6 is equal to 3 over 2 times x minus 3. Now, if I use 1, 3, same, this is x1, y1. So y minus 3 is equal to 3 over 2 times x minus 1. So either one will be fine. Now, why don't we try another one? Same thing. First, write the point slope form of linear. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Find the slope of a line. Rise over run. So let me use these 2 points right here. So it is 0, 2, and -3, 4. And you can simply count from 0 to -3, 4. You have to move up twice and to the left 3 times. So the slope of this line is -2/3. Now then, you can use either 0, 2 or -3, 4 to write into point slope form. So if I use 0, 2, x1, y1. So y minus 2 is equal to slope -2/3 times x minus 0. Since it's 0, you can just rewrite into -2/3 x. If I use -3 and 4, that's x1, that's y1. So y minus 4 is equal to -2/3 times x, this time minus -3. So it should be y minus 4 is equal to negative 2/3 times x plus 3, because negative times negative is equal to positive. Okay. Next, try one more. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So find the slope first. Rise over run. So use this 4, negative 3, and 3, negative 7. So if you just move from 3, negative 7 to 4, negative 3, count 1, 2, 3, 4, how many you have to go up? 4, and to the right ones. Slope is equal to 4. And you can use either 4, negative 3 or 3, negative 7 to write into point slope form. So if I use 4, negative 3 first, that's x1, y1. Y minus negative 3 is equal to slope 4 times x minus 4. Same thing, you have to multiply negative by negative. So it is y plus 3 is equal to 4 times x minus 4. Now, if I use 3, negative 7, then it's y minus negative 7 is equal to 4 times x minus 3. So y plus 7 is equal to 4 times x minus 3. Now then, if you have equation this time, y minus 4 is equal to negative 2 times x plus 7. And you have to find the slope and a point the line passes through from the equation. Since point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and here m is a slope, and here x1, y1 is a point. So we can just write from this equation, slope is equal to negative 2, and the point, this one is a plus, so I think it's better for you to rewrite as a subtraction form. So if I rewrite that, then it will be y minus 4 is equal to negative 2 times x minus negative 7. I think it's better for you to find a point. And then the point should be now negative 7 and 4. Now, try another one. If you have y minus 7 is equal to 4 times x plus 3. Same thing. You have plus here, so rewrite it to subtraction. Y minus 7 is equal to 4 times x minus, then that should be negative 3. So the slope will be 4, and the point is negative 3 and 7. Now if you guys have the line with slope negative 5 passing through negative 3 and negative 5, and if you need to write into point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Now, slope is given, -5, and the point x1 and y1 is also given. So just plug in y minus -5 is equal to slope -5 times x minus -3. So if I rewrite this, negative times negative makes positive, so y plus 5 is equal to -5 times x plus 3. Now try one more. The line with slope 4 passing through -1, 0. So this is a slope, and this is a point, x1, y1. So if I write the point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus 0 is equal to 4 times x minus -1. So y minus 0, basically it's y, so y minus 4 times x plus 1. Okay, that's it.